Yeah, thank God you've been chosen. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. The future's now. The future's now.
Can you tell us your connection with Deep Ellum and the music scene?
Well, I started in Deep Ellum back in 2014, 2013. I was actually a waitress at Buzzbrews in Deep Ellum. We have open mic nights. As a server, I would work and then get off and get on the open mics with Jawborn. And then over time, you know, I went on tour with him and the RZA.
What is your favorite place to perform at and why?
I like to perform anywhere, as long as there's a crowd, whether 2 or 3 are gathered. You know, music, God is in the midst. You know, I'm always ready to perform.
My skin color, there's so much madness. Why is life this way? Sits in sin, run by fearful, hateful men, and I'm tired.
How do you think music affects the culture at large and the people in the world?
I mean, you are what you listen to, and music carries certain vibes and frequencies. You know, so if you're listening to destructive type of music, then you're going to be destructive. If you're listening to high vibe music, you're going to vibe high. So I try to make high vibrational music. That's my lane.
Do you have any projects coming up?
Yes, I actually just dropped a project on the 30th. It's an EP called Solace. It's a really, really dope vibe. I think it'll, you know, help humanity. That's the whole point of making music. So definitely check that out. It's called Solace.